You are going to love the 2020 RX 450h. The RX 450 Hybrid sports the innovative ECO mode, allowing your vehicle to consume less energy and regulate the throttle response for even more acceleration. It also features an exhaust heat recovery system that turns off the gasoline engine more quickly, allowing the vehicle to function on battery power alone. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.